In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the volume of all your keywords at once in Ubersuggest. This is a powerful tool, especially if you're working on SEO or digital marketing strategies and need to quickly assess the effectiveness of multiple keywords. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Ubersuggest by visiting neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once you're there, log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so, but luckily the process is quick and simple. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Ubersuggest dashboard, which is the starting point for all your keyword research tasks. Next, we'll open up the keyword tool. Look for the keyword research section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on keyword research and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select keyword ideas. This section is where you'll be able to enter your keywords and begin your analysis. Now let's talk about adding your keywords. You'll see an option to add keywords or find some form of bulk keyword input option. This feature allows you to enter multiple keywords at one time. Instead of researching them individually, simply click on the Add Keywords button. Here you can either type your keywords one per line or paste a list if you have one prepared. This is especially handy if you have a long list, as it saves time and ensures consistency across your analysis. Once you've entered all your keywords, go ahead and click the Search button to proceed. Now Ubersuggest goes to work and gathers essential data about each keyword you've entered. You'll see a table that displays the search volume for each keyword, giving you an idea of how frequently these terms are searched for. But that's not all. The table also provides additional valuable metrics, including the SEO difficulty, which indicates how challenging it might be to rank organically for that keyword. You'll also see the paid difficulty, revealing how tough it is to rank for that keyword through paid advertising. And finally, you'll find the CPC, or cost per click, which indicates how much advertisers are paying for a click on an ad generated from that keyword. Once all this data is displayed, you have the option to export it for further analysis. Simply click Export to CSV to download your list. This file can be opened in Excel or Google Sheets, where you can sort and analyze your keywords based on search volume, difficulty, or CPC to help you make informed decisions for your campaigns. And there you have it. A straightforward way to check the volume and more for all your keywords at once using Ubersuggest. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for tuning in and happy keyword hunting.